Greetings, time travelers. Welcome back to the Curious Culture Club, where we delve into the most intriguing mysteries of the universe. Today, we're exploring the captivating world of time travel theories, a cornerstone of science fiction and theoretical physics. Buckle up as we journey through the corridors of time and unlock its mind-boggling secrets. Before we dive into the theories, let's understand what time travel truly means. Time travel, in essence, is the concept of moving between different points in time. It's a staple in the realm of science fiction, captivating our imaginations with the tantalizing prospect of rewriting history or foreseeing the future. But it's not just a figment of our collective storytelling. In theoretical physics, time travel opens up a universe of possibilities and paradoxes that challenge our very understanding of reality. It's a cosmic puzzle, a riddle of existence that proffers the idea of stepping out of our linear perception of time. Imagine being able to hop back to the roaring 20s or leap forward to the year 3000. That's the essence of time travel. Now that we have a basic understanding of time travel, let's explore the theories that attempt to explain it. Einstein's theory of relativity, a cornerstone of modern physics, offers one of the first scientific approaches to time travel. This theory, introduced by Albert Einstein in the early 20th century, fundamentally challenges our understanding of time and space, knitting them together into a four-dimensional fabric known as space-time. According to Einstein, space and time are intertwined, forming a cosmic stage on which the drama of the universe unfolds. This unified entity, space-time, can be curved, stretched, and even warped by the gravitational pull of massive objects like stars and planets. Now let's dive a bit deeper. Have you ever heard of time dilation? It's a mind-boggling concept sprung from Einstein's theory. Basically, it suggests that time can speed up or slow down depending on how fast you're moving or how strong the gravitational field around you is. This means that an astronaut traveling near the speed of light or living near a massive object would age more slowly than someone on Earth. Yes, you heard it right. It's as close to a real-world time machine as we've got. These ideas, radical as they may seem, are not just theoretical musings. They've been confirmed by numerous experiments, proving that time travel, at least in one direction, is indeed possible according to our current understanding of the laws of physics. Einstein's theory opened up a universe of possibilities, including the concept of wormholes. Imagine a shortcut through space-time. That's the idea behind wormholes. A wormhole, theoretically, is a sort of tunnel or bridge connecting two different points in space and time. It's like bending a piece of paper in half and poking a hole through both ends, creating a direct path from one side to the other. In the vast expanse of the universe, if such wormholes exist, they could potentially allow us to travel great distances in the blink of an eye, or even time travel. But wormholes aren't just about space travel. They're tied to one of the most fascinating concepts in physics: closed time-like curves. You see, in the realm of space-time, we have these things called worldlines. These are the paths that objects follow as they move through time and space. Normally, these worldlines don't loop back on themselves. However, the existence of wormholes could change that. A closed time-like curve is a worldline that loops back on itself. It's a path through space-time that could theoretically bring you back to an earlier point in your own timeline. Imagine leaving your house, walking around the block, and coming back to find a past version of yourself still at home. That's the sort of reality-bending possibility we're talking about. But if you think that's mind-bending, consider this. If you could go back to your past, could you change it? Could you alter the course of your own history? These are the questions that physicists and philosophers alike grapple with when they explore the concept of closed time-like curves. Of course, we're far from having all the answers. Wormholes and closed time-like curves remain largely theoretical. We haven't found any concrete evidence of their existence, nor have we figured out a way to create them. Even if we did, there would be enormous challenges to overcome, not least of which would be the mind-bending paradoxes they could create. While these theories are fascinating, they also lead to some mind-boggling paradoxes. Ever thought about going back in time and accidentally changing the present? Welcome to the world of time travel paradoxes. Let's start with the grandfather paradox. Imagine, if you will, that you've traveled back in time and accidentally caused your grandfather's premature demise. That would mean one of your parents, and by extension you, could never have been born. But if you were never born, how could you have traveled back in time to alter events? A mind-boggling loop, isn't it? Now let's consider the butterfly effect, a concept from chaos theory. It suggests that even the smallest action, like a butterfly flapping its wings in Brazil, can drastically alter the course of events, potentially causing a tornado in Texas. Applied to time travel, even the most insignificant alteration to the past could ripple through time, drastically reshaping the present. These paradoxes raise questions about the potential consequences of time travel. If we could travel back in time and change events, would we return to the same present or find ourselves in an alternate timeline? Consider this. If you traveled back and prevented a major historical event, would you return to a present where that event never occurred? Or would you have created an entirely new parallel universe? The potential to alter the past and affect the present brings us to the ethical and philosophical implications of time travel. Is it morally justifiable to change past events, even if it could lead to a better present? Who gets to decide what changes are for the better? Time travel is a complex and intriguing concept, with many ethical, philosophical, and scientific debates still ongoing. As we journey back to our own timeline, it's clear that time travel is a concept that continues to captivate us. From Einstein's theory of relativity to wormholes and closed Timelike curves, these mind-blowing theories continue to push the boundaries of our understanding. The grand paradoxes and potential consequences only add to the allure. Debates within theoretical physics are ongoing as we strive to unlock the secrets of time travel. What's your favorite time travel theory? Please let us know in the comment section. Until next time, keep exploring the mysteries of the universe with the Curious Culture Club.